Today is a very special evening when we start our musical performance, and we called our program Psy Music Very Easy. I would like to introduce Mikhail Radunsky on cello, Zbigniew Maruszka on piano. Just satisfied with the music, stay here in the present moment with the music, with this space.